Today on Fresh Vintage Garage, we have a special guest, and we're not talking about the tech right here. We have Jason from Bartec himself here. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here, man. Absolutely, man. Jason came into the global headquarters of Fresh Vintage Garage here to check out all things Bartec with us. We're going to dig in. Let's get started right now. Hey everyone, this is Tom with Fresh Vintage Garage. Today we have some Bartec TPMS scan tool action here, and big props to Jason for coming out. We really appreciate you driving down to the corporate global headquarters of Fresh Vintage Garage here. Forgive my silly joke, but looking at this, we have the TechRitePro, and just to mention, if you haven't seen our video on the 600 and 550, you see both of them sitting up here. We have videos on both of these. If you're in the market for actual TPMS scanning and reactivation and relearn capability, definitely check out those videos. We'll leave those links for both those videos in the description of the one you're watching now. But today we're kind of looking at the entry level. Is that right, Jason?
Yeah, this is the entry level TechRitePro tool from Bartec. So kind of the same equipment that you're going to get with the rest of our tools. The biggest difference from this tool is you're not going to see the Bluetooth and you're not going to see Wi-Fi. So standard updates like we'll show you outside on the computer, but that's how you would keep the updates on the tool rather than using Wi-Fi.
Excellent, excellent. And just to mention, everyone, just for a quick recap, definitely go check the videos out, but this is Wi-Fi Bluetooth. That actually Bluetooth connects to this guy. The 550 is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but there's no dongle with it. And then the TechRite is kind of your stripped down unit, dare I say that. This is a basic core essentials, but it has Vindicate and it has all the heart and soul of the Bartec software that you need to actually get the TPMS job done in your shop day to day.
Correct. You'll have the ability to do everything except for the right sensor blue, because that's our Bluetooth sensor.
Bluetooth sensor, yeah.
And then you still have the ability to use all the other major OE players in the TPMS world.
Awesome. Okay. And we were talking off camera. This is something that maybe a guy who has a race car or someone you and I were familiar with up north. You have a set of snow tires. You have a whole other set of snow tires on rims. Maybe you buy this and an actual package of TPMS sensors.
Correct.
And that's you just rotate the tires every 6 months or something like that.
And when you do your own tires, then you don't have to go pay a dealer to do it for you.
There you go. And the next thing you know, this thing's paying for itself. So. What we're going to do is Jason drove down here in a Chevy Malibu, so we're going to go outside and see if we can get the pesky TPMS light off of the dash. Let's grab this and the actual cable for it, and let's go outside right now. So we know that the TechRite here is already software fully updated and firmware is updated, but we were just chatting with Jason. If you wanted to actually update your software, you just plug into the port here, and the port here, you just get yourself a USB-A to USB-C cable, and go right to Bartec's site. And Jason, you were saying for existing customers, you just log in. First-time customer, you'd actually have to register and create an account. But from there, it's pretty quick and easy. You just download the firmware here and then just upload right to the unit.
Yep, just hit register here at the top. That'll walk you through the whole entire process. Right here is the TPMS desktop. That's what you'll need for to use to upload or to download the update. But this is where you would log in to get all your service bulletins and such like that for the tool.
Excellent. Okay. Well, let's take the TechRite and see if we can get that pesky TPMS light to go off on the dashboard. Let's jump into that right now. So we have our 2022 Chevy Malibu here. You can see the TPMS light is on the dash. So we have our TechRite here, and I'm going to try and do this on the fly. And we're going to plug into the OBD2 port, which is right here. And I will note that this is one of the few, if the only Bartec unit that has basically a double-ended OBD2. It is like a male-female setup, so you can't really get the wrong plug. So I want to go ahead and go to Relearn here. And there's our OBD right sync. There you go. So I'm going to unplug this, and we're just going to walk around and relearn each tire on the fly. And I want to do this and see, I don't want to say it's in a race or anything, but I just want to see how fast it can do this.
You just hit enter.
Hit enter, whoops. There we go. Now Jason was telling us, like, don't necessarily try not to touch like right here on the actual valve stem. He described it as putting this on the rubber. Because you want to get the sensor, which is right back there, so to speak. So we're going to do that. There we go. So 35 PSI. Interesting. They're both 35 PSI. So let me do this. There we go. Okay, so maybe I have it. I don't have it close enough. So let me try this again. There we go. I bet you that was the problem.
That should work now.
There we go. Yeah, I was, and you can see how close that was. I was maybe.
I'll be honest,
3
I
inches.
kind of wanted you to do that. I don't mean to interrupt it, because now you can at least show what happens if you're off center and high to the right.
And it wasn't that far because
it wasn't. No.
Like I was. Let's say I go right here. That's clearly not going to work. But it's trying to register.
Yeah, it's still going to try to read it.
Oh, okay. Make
But
a liar
sometimes,
out of me.
but you might get a duplicate, or you might get something else. You might just get an additional error that might show up.
Yeah, yeah. And hey, look at that. The actual light is off on the dash there. That was what, 90 seconds, if that. That was really fast.
Yep.
So.
And that's the entry level tool.
So wrapping up the video here, you saw that the light is off on the dash there, and you know, TechRite, really nice tool. Obviously, it has the heart and soul. It's the heritage and all the guts and the essentials, you know, and not necessarily the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. But definitely take a look at this. We'll leave the link for this if you're interested in buying one in the description of the video you're watching now, as well as the actual 550 and the 600. We have videos on both of those, so definitely check them out. They're in the same description that you're watching now. But you know, I really like this thing. This is definitely, like you said, the entry level, and it's your essentials. It's what you need, and you just plug it right into the car and it works. And definitely a lot better if you're a shop or a tire shop. Definitely better than doing the manual relearn procedure, because you think about some of these OEMs, they want you to do a manual procedure. You're doing like X miles at X miles an hour. So imagine you're in downtown LA and you need to drive the car 20 miles at like 20 miles or 30 miles an hour, so whatever the numbers are. It's kind of a challenge for some shops. So this is a really nice, easy, fast tool. And Jason, thank you so much for taking the time to come in and hook us up and show us all of this stuff. And now that you got your TPMS all set up, you too can be a certified fresh vintage mechanic. And if you don't know what that means, definitely check out our other channel, Fresh Vintage, where we check out classic cars, muscle cars, horsepower, SEMA, Barrett-Jackson, and a whole lot more. With that, if you like TPMS, if you like scan tools, if you like shop equipment and keeping your cars certified fresh and fresh on the road, Fresh Vintage Garage is your channel. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.